Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 330 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Inner Boundaries, a moment to reconnect with what protects your peace. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Begin by noticing the space around you. Feel the air, the stillness, the quiet distance that belongs to you. Imagine a soft line forming around your energy. Not a wall, not a barrier, but a gentle boundary that honors your well-being. With each inhale, feel yourself strengthen from within, and with each exhale, release what is not yours to carry. Now, say to yourself, I choose what enters my space. I protect my peace with clarity and calm. And my boundaries are an act of self-respect. Let this boundary expand and soften at the same time, firm yet kind, clear yet flexible, a space where you can breathe freely, where your needs and limits are allowed to exist. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this sense of inner firmness with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.